Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our Win or Asia exhibition in Istanbul in 2023. And today I want to show you our newest product, the Space Cabinet. The Space Cabinet is our new model in our CubeBOX VR lineup. It is based on the CubeBOX VR mini model. The advantages are that the drawers have now 3 positions, so that the operator doesn't have to stop the system, interrupt the system. The operator can push the drawers towards him, refill these drawers with fresh parts, push them onto the middle position, and as soon as the robot is ready to manufacture the new parts, the pneumatic twist push the drawers into position. All this is packaged in our new design and also controlled by a ROBOCAM software, which you can find on all our CubeBOX models. The operator can easily put in new product, new job, and start the robot without knowledge of robot programming. I want to thank you for listening and have a nice day. Thank you.